Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we're going to talk about 3 and 4 character plates on a BMW because there are a couple of compromises which I'll explain. Let's get into it. So this video is more specifically about Victorian 3 and 4 character plates in the tin plate because they are quite small and they just cover the holes. And I've got 2 different products that do kind of 2 different things. I'll go through it one by one and talk about how they go on the car. Now, because the BMW has this recessed stamp on the back of the car, it's pretty much on every car. This stamp is actually wider than your number plate. So customers go, well, why don't you just make the bracket wider to cover the stamping, which we've done. And this is what we call our SL4-3. 3 is our BMW size. So it does 2 things. 1, it bolts straight up to the BMW holes, which is nice and easy, and also wide enough to cover the stamping. So when you mount your plates on it, you get that nice clean look. But people will go, well, why don't you make the bracket smaller so I don't see the excess material? No problems. We'll go back to this one here, and people will go, well, why don't you make it bigger? So we offer both sizes. You can either choose SL4-1, which is smaller. You don't see the bracket, it's hidden behind the number plate. Or you go for the extended version, which is this SL4-3, and it covers all the stamping behind the car. Now I know it all sounds a bit confusing, so what we'll do is let's install the first size on the car, show what it looks like, and then we'll switch to the -3 and see what that looks like. So that's the differences between our 2 brackets. One is extended to cover the stamping on the boot, and one is smaller and hidden behind the plate. And they're the 2 sizes, -1 and -3. Now this is also the same with New South Wales traditional plates. They're the same width, so you're gonna have a bracket that is smaller and hidden behind the plate. We'll call that -1. And there is going to be an extended version to do the same thing, which covers the recess. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.